Good morning, guys. Today is Friday and it is catch up on work day and hopefully get done with everything and have a good weekend day. So I'm spending most of my day grading stuff. And I noticed that when I started pulling up the science assignment for today, there were a couple of issues with it. So go into your science courses and you will see what I see if you're watching this video. If I go in week 5 and the assignment was on Wednesday, if I look right here, how can I eat healthy activity? That's where I need you guys to turn it in. I don't want you to send me a message through Schoology. I want you to go here and turn it in. And I'm being a little bit picky about that this time because you're really going to have to learn how to do that in 5th grade, and I want to make sure you're ready for that. So I need a picture of questions 1 through 4. And I need your food plate. So if you click on this, you'll see what I see as your teacher. So you'll see over here, these 13 people out of 25 have turned it in, okay? If we click on this, and I'm just going to use Martin's first, this is what I see, and this is where I can put the grade in. I look at Martin's and I see this picture. I can download it. I can look at it a little bit bigger, whatever. If I click on this one right here, I can see, if it comes up and loads, I can see his questions. So I can go in, I can download it, I can read it, I can look at Martin's stuff, and I can give him a grade. If I go here, Benson has turned in one thing, and I can see, oh, wow, he printed it. I can read it carefully. I can see everything. I could download it if I needed to, and I can grade it. Then if I look here, I see, oh my goodness, Benson has submitted a couple of things to me. Oh, wow, Benson, that is so cool. So I can take the time to go through. It's being a little bit finicky right now, but I can look at every single picture, and I can give Benson a grade. So it's all right there. It's all easy for me to see, and I can put the grade right here. In my homeroom, if I go back to courses and I go into science again, remember it's week 5 and it's on Wednesday. If I go in there, I see that only 8 out of 25 have turned it in. So make sure today is the due date. Make sure you're getting your work done and turning it in this way so that I can grade it through Schoology. So it's pretty easy. Yours over here says turn in. You click on that and then you do exactly what Martin did or what Benson did. You upload as many images or as many files as you want so that I can see it. So I just wanted to clarify that. If I go to, let's see if I can do this quickly. If I go to our multiplication choice board, which was the one that was due today, and the other one, but we'll just look at the multiplication choice board, you can see what I see as the teacher. So I go right here, I look at your individual responses, and I see that out of 100 kids, only 73 have completed it this week. So several of you have some work to do today, and I can read everything that you're writing here. I will tell you, those of you that are not getting all 30 points, you're losing points because you're not writing 3 to 5 sentences like the directions say right here. And I'm even taking off a couple of points if you are not capitalizing I. If you're not starting your sentences with a capital letter, and if you're not writing really nice, complete, beautiful 4th grade sentences. So make sure you're giving me your best effort with this, and make sure you're telling me everything about the activities that you choose. So I hope you have a good day. And I hope that you get everything turned in on time. Keep an eye on your grades. If you do have a 0 for something and then you make it up later, make sure you send me a message and tell me to go look at it, because once I have graded everybody's stuff, it's kind of out of my mind and I have to click back through every single thing we've done for the last 6 weeks to find missing stuff. And I don't do that regularly because that would be ridiculous. But if you say, Mrs. Patterson, I just finished Math Madness number 17, then I can go into Math Madness number 17 and I can grade the ones that need to be graded and submit it, and we're done. So just let me know if you complete any assignments, even if it's something from a long time ago, like the robot, the metric robot that you guys did. I can go back in and I can find yours and I can grade it. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Get your work done so that you can have a good time outside today. I'll see you soon. Bye.